Get 10 new Doomsday survival gear and gadgets you need. Here's a chilling thought. According to recent global surveys, nearly 60% of people believe they'll experience a major disaster in their lifetime, whether it's a climate crisis, grid failure, or geopolitical chaos. Sounds extreme? Maybe, but in a world of unpredictable blackouts, fires, floods, and food shortages, being prepared isn't paranoia, it's just smart planning. And let's be real, if the world does go sideways, do you want to be the person Googling how to purify water when there's no internet? That's why today we're diving into 10 of the most essential, newly updated survival gadgets for 2025 that you can actually buy right now. Compact, powerful, and designed for the worst-case scenario, these tools might just turn game over into game on. Soto Pocket Torch. When it comes to starting a fire in the wild or during a power outage, forget your old plastic lighters. The Soto Pocket Torch is a compact beast that transforms ordinary fuel into a wind-intensity flame that burns up to 2,300 DGF. Unlike basic lighters that fizzle out in wind or altitude, this torch turns even cheap disposable lighters into efficient fire-blasting machine. It is incredibly fuel-efficient, fits easily in your palm or pocket, and is ideal for lighting kindling, cooking fires, or even emergency flares in extreme weather. Whether you're on a mountain trail or waiting out a blackout, this isn't just a lighter, it's your ignition system for survival. Just remember, the only thing scarier than the dark is not being able to light your stove when it's freezing out. Exotac Fire Rod Ferrocerium Fire Starter. If you've ever watched a survival show and thought, I could totally make fire like that, meet the Exotac Fire Rod, the grown-up pro-grade version of that spark stick in your bug-out bag. Built from military-grade ferrocerium and engineered for high-yield sparks in any condition, this fire rod includes a waterproof capsule for tinder and a durable, replaceable ferro rod that can handle thousands of strikes. It's ideal for wet environments, high altitudes, and cold weather, because lighters and matches aren't always reliable when nature decides to turn brutal. A touted Be-Free water filtration system. Without clean water, survival shifts from difficult to impossible in a matter of days. The Cataden Be-Free isn't just a water filter, it's your ticket to portable hydration in the most extreme conditions. This ultralight squeeze system filters up to 1,000 liters and removes 99% of bacteria, protozoa, and sediment without any pumping or tablets. Just fill, squeeze, and drink. The filter is fast-producing water at a rate of up to 2 liters per minute, and its collapsible flask means it takes up almost no space in your pack. Whether you're trekking through backcountry streams or filtering questionable tap water during a crisis, this device can literally mean the difference between sickness and survival. Remember, food you can go weeks without, water just 3 days. Bushnell Trophy Cam HD Essential E3. Want to know what's creeping around your bug-out location at night? The Bushnell Trophy Cam HD E3 is a motion-activated, night vision-enabled trail cam that captures crystal-clear images and video, even in total darkness. This rugged camera is more than just for wildlife. It's a perimeter monitoring tool, a silent security system, and a night watchman when you're deep asleep in a tent or shelter. With long battery life and passive infrared sensors, it starts recording the second it senses movement. Whether that's a bear, a trespasser, or something less expected, you'll have time-stamped, high-dissolution evidence of what's lurking beyond the firelight. In survival mode, knowledge is power, and this little gadget is your eyes when visibility hits zero. LifeStraw Go water filter bottle. Imagine drinking straight from a river without fear. With the LifeStraw Go, you can. This upgraded water bottle includes a built-in 2-stage filtration system that removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics while reducing chlorine and improving taste. All without batteries or charging. Just fill and sip. It's perfect for your go bag, daily carry, or as a backup for your home emergency kit. And when bottled water disappears off store shelves in a panic buy rush, you'll have peace of mind knowing that any lake, stream, or faucet could be a source of clean hydration. Lightweight, leak-proof, and reliable in crisis, it's like carrying your own portable water purification plant without the power bill. Goglin's folding camp shovel when nature calls, or the need arises to dig, build, or even defend. There's nothing more versatile than a good old-fashioned survival shovel. Copeland's folding camp shovel is a collapsible carbon steel tool that's compact enough for your pack, but tough enough for trenching, fire pits, or clearing debris. Whether you're fortifying a temporary shelter, digging a latrine, or unearthing buried supplies, this little powerhouse does the job. The folding design makes it easy to stash, and the saw-edge blade adds cutting power for roots and branches. It's not sexy, but when the power grid's gone and you're roughing it, a shovel like this turns into the MVP of your survival toolkit. Jetlight portable solar charger. Let's face it, in the apocalypse, your smartphone becomes your flashlight, GPS, compass, weather radar, and maybe even your backup communication device. That's why the Jetlight portable solar charger is a must-have. With foldable panels and high-efficiency cells, this rugged charger soaks up sunlight and pumps power into your devices even in low-light conditions. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant, so basically it's more ready for the apocalypse than most people. Whether you're off-grid for days or just trying to top up your gear at camp, this charger keeps your lifelines alive, and in a world without outlets... That's survival gold. Leatherman Crunch Folding Pliers. When things fall apart, multi-tools become your best friends. The Leatherman Crunch takes this to the next level with locking pliers strong enough to clamp onto pipes, bolts, or broken gear in a crisis. This isn't your average camping multi-tool, it's a toolbox in your pocket with 15 built-in tools including screwdrivers, a wire stripper, and even a file. The Crunch handles emergency repairs, food prep, and shelter building like a champ. Its stainless steel build is built to last, and the folding design means it slips neatly into your pocket or pack. Whether you're fixing a broken gate, cutting through rope, or just popping a can open, this tool earns its keep 10 times over. Storm safety rope. In disaster zones, something as simple as a rope can mean the difference between safety and disaster. The storm safety rope is specifically engineered for emergency rescue and survival situations. Made from high-strength paracord and reflective for nighttime visibility, this rope is essential for building shelters, rappelling, securing gear, or even fashioning emergency slings or stretchers. It's lightweight, weather-resistant, and easily stored in any bug-out bag. When every second counts and conditions get rough, this rope isn't just a piece of gear. It's your literal lifeline. And yes, if you think I'll never need rope, remember, it's the first thing you'll wish you had once you don't. Survival Frog All-in-One Survival Kit. Finally, we wrap up with the Survival Frog All-in-One Survival Kit, a pre-packed collection of must-have tools for any emergency. This compact kit includes everything from a tactical flashlight, emergency blanket, fire starter, multi-tool card, wire saw, and even a tactical pen that doubles as a self-defense weapon. It's built for bug-out scenarios where time is short and stress is high, giving you fast access to core tools that can make the difference between panic and purpose. Small enough to fit in your glove box or emergency pack, this kit is proof that good things really do come in small, survival-ready packages. If this video helped you discover a gadget you need in your go bag, give it a like. It tells us to make more content like this. Subscribe for smart survival guides, gear reviews, and real-world prepping tips. And drop us a comment below. What's the one survival item you won't live without? Thanks for watching, and remember, it's better to be ready and not need it than need it and not be ready.